I finally got my Google Adsense pin on my fourth and third request, and I still have one more pin at the post office that I am yet to pick up. I requested for the first pin, I think 21 days before February 22. No, February 21, because February 21 was the second time I requested for the pin. I did not get anything for the next 4 weeks. Then I requested for another one, March 21. I didn't get anything. I requested for another one, April 21. So the one I requested on April 21, and I got a mail that they have sent it around April 22. I got that one May 10. So yeah, yeah, this is the letter. This is the letter. I don't think I will be able to lay my hand on the first pin because the first pin was sent to a different state. One of the tips I'm going to give you is whenever you put your address on the like Google AdSense when you want to request your pin, just make sure you open a bracket and write please call your mobile number and then close the bracket, because that is how they are able to reach me when this letter got to the post office. With that, you won't be stressing yourself to the post office and you won't get yourself worried on when are you going to get your letter. So the moment you get your letter, they are just going to call you from the post office to pick it up, because they actually called me to come and pick my letter. Even the second one, they are still calling me to come and pick it. Seriously, in this pin, I think Google can just text me the pin that is inside the pamphlet, because I just have to wait, I think, 4 to 3 months to get these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. And out of those pin, if you see what is there, um some instruction that you already know, even a newborn baby is going to know the instruction. Alhamdulillah, I got my pin. Now I just have to set up my bank account and cash out my money from YouTube. And another tip on how to write your address: if you are in a state that you are closer to the university, I'm going to advise you to use the university address, like a place closer to the university. You know, the university is all known in the country, or even when the letter got to Lagos, I think the letter is going to get to Lagos first. So they are going to actually know that okay, this letter is going to this so and so university. They are going to send the letter close to the post office that is around the university. And also, since your number is there, they are just going to call you, and you can also tell them to help you call the pin if you are not closer to the university at the moment. So I'm going to say, if you have a prepaid bill, just check the address on your prepaid bill or your NEPA bill, because they are going to easily recognize that address. Because if you are putting the address that is not well recognized, I think that is what happened to my first pin, and I think the second pin also. But the first pin is just normal address, even it's my house address, but it is not the address on the NEPA bill. And maybe I think that is the reason why they have high time in like delivering the letter or something like that. But when I use the address closer to the university, even though I'm there, like around the area, and I put my number, please call me, I got it. The first pin, my number wasn't there, so I have to keep going to the post office. So maybe when I'm free or when I just want to stroll, I might go there and see if the letter is there already. But since I have the letter, and inside the letter they are sending the same pin, so I just feel like the post office can just keep it. And I got what I needed. That is just the tip and how I got my Google AdSense pin. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to blow that subscribe button. On this channel I post educative content, how to trade and more, how to make money. Yeah, so just blow that subscribe button for more content. Till my next video. Peace.